Is your Fiverr account suddenly suspended? This is a serious situation, but understanding the common reasons can help you prevent it. I'll explain the main causes. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Accounts are typically suspended for violating Fiverr's terms of service. Common reasons include asking clients to pay outside of Fiverr, submitting plagiarized work, receiving multiple warnings for late deliveries, or identity verification issues. Sometimes it can be a mistake, but often it's due to a clear violation of the rules. A crucial pro tip: read and understand Fiverr's terms of service thoroughly. It's not the most exciting read, but it's the rulebook for your business. Knowing what's allowed and what's prohibited is your first line of defense against accidental suspension. And just like that, you can identify potential risks and protect your account. Understanding suspension reasons helps you stay compliant. Have you ever reviewed Fiverr's complete terms of service? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to fix a Fiverr gig not showing. Thanks for watching.